UTKARSH ASTHANA'S hub, the Wondertainment Zone. Hi guys, this is Dollurix and you're watching the Hot Tech Talks Season 1 Episode 15. So today's Tech Talks topic is about a very hot topic, about a thing which has taken a lot of heat last weekend only, and like last week only this thing just came out and it has become a hot topic since then. A topic on which you could just talk unlimited. So it is the Neuralink Chip Implant, and today's Tech Talks episode 15 is just fully based on this only. So basically, Neuralink is an Elon Musk startup which was initially founded and found by Elon Musk's wealth manager, and now it's a startup of Elon Musk by Elon Musk, and this is a Tesla startup. So basically, Neuralink is a company which is like trying to make people like Superman. They like if these chips are implanted in their brains, in their cerebral, then they could have they could attain superpowers like telekinesis, telepathy. Like they are sitting at a place and they can like just point at a thing and they can shift it and do anything like it to that with like just like a magician or like a powerful sage. So that would be a really good thing about this Neuralink chip, and this chip will also help people recover from different problems like the ADHD or the audio deficiency and hearing aid disorder, something like that. So it will be help people get recover from the ADHD problem too. So it is a very good help for ADHD patients. And also Elon Musk says that his ambitious plan is to let humans wirelessly connect their brains with their phones and other devices, and this thing has taken things related to neural control and all that things to just a next level, and that's only Neuralink is really amazing. Now, as I've already told you, Elon Musk's plan is to like wirelessly connect your brains with your phones and other smart devices. So that's a kind of human net only, a human control network. About that, I have written a book on that. You can check it out on Amazon Kindle, and it's all about human net only. So this thing is also just like that only. And also, Neuralink has recently only implanted their first chip inside a female patient just 2 days ago at Washington City Hospital, America, and the patient is doing good recovery. She was basically a ADHD patient, and now Elon Musk and the Neuralink representatives are saying that this chip will help her like to recover from her ADHD problem, and also this chip is showing good amazing neural spikes and is showing good response. She is also responsive and this chip is also responsive. The person who wasn't identified is recovering well, Musk said via X, formerly known as Twitter. Now Twitter's new name is X, as we know that Twitter is Elon Musk's platform and he has renamed Twitter as X. So the patient is recovering well. That was said by Elon Musk on X. So he said this, but yeah, as I've already told you, he hasn't just identified that who the person is. Who is she? Initial results show promising neural spikes and neutron spike dissection. He added, referring to the cellular activity between our brains and our nervous system and neural systems. The news comes month after Neuralink began recruiting potential human test subjects for its clinical trials, and yeah, very strong thing about this is that they have not registered their company on clinicaltrials.gov, which is an United States government official site, and we can just know that this by the .gov prefix, which is which any site which is a US government official site only has that. So they haven't registered their company on that, and also like they are not taking a proper approval from the Food and Drugs Department of America, FDA. So that's very wrong thing, and people are raising questions on that. So if they have not registered themselves with that clinical trials site and also have not taken approvals from FDA, so how can just they do all this human trials so openly? That's really wrong about it. But actually some negotiations going between Elon Musk company Neuralink and US government. So let's see what comes out. By the way, the company got Food and Drug Administration approval last May only. So basically they have approval, but they have not a permanent license but a temporary license on approval, and so that's not good about it. And they have not just enlisted their company on the clinicaltrials.gov, as I've said already right before only. And yeah, also this company, Neuralink, Elon Musk Startup, they are saying that people who above age 22 and above who are living with quadriplegia due to the spinal cord injury or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis (ALS), the disease that robs the people of the ability to control their bodies. This chip would be this chip would be a good help for them. Would prove to be truly helpful for them. Also, the Neuralink's clinical trials is called PRIME, which is a short form for Precise Robotically Implanted Brain Computer Interface, PRIME. So this is brain computer interface, or BCI only. A very good example of BCI is Neuralink chip. So by the way, their first product is Telepathy, and the company is saying that this product would be a full success. You could just control things, lift things, and anything you can do with the help of this telepathy. The things we used to like watch in our movies in our childhood, now it can become a reality with the help of biotechnology. Neuralink telepathy. Also, Neuralink says that its implant procedure employs custom-made microscopic needles, as the company said last October 2023 on X, formerly Twitter. The tip is only 10 to 12 microns in width, only slightly larger than the diameter of a red blood cell (RBC). So you see how precise the thing is, and it's not man-made. It's a man-made, but not handmade. Actually, it's machine-made. You know that we can't just achieve that much precision without machines. We can't. The small size allows threads to be inserted with minimal damage to the cortex. The goal of the PRIME trial is that, as the company said in the promotional video of their official YouTube channel, Neuralink, is to place a small cosmetically invisible implant in a part of your brain that plans movement. So what about the brain implant? The implant includes 1024 or 1024 electrode distributed across 64 micron threads. According to Neuralink, the implant is a key hardware component of the trial. The other focus points are the surgical robot Pandora they are using by Kronstadt for the implantation process of the BCI, brain computer interface, and the Neuralink user app that connects wirelessly to a computer or other device. So basically this would make you like a super cyborg kind of thing. You can check out that what are cyborgs in my previous TechTalks episode, which is based on 3 types of human like AI robots and cyborgs only. You can check it out also on Robotalks and on TechTalks, only on the Wondertainment Zone. By the way, coming back to the topic, the N1 implant is powered by a small battery charged wirelessly from the outside via a compact inductive charger that enables easy use from anywhere, the company says on its website. As they say this only, and the N1 is the name given to the Neuralink chip. N1 means Neuralink 1. That is the name of the chip implant by Neuralink, Elon Musk Startup. As he announced, Elon Musk announced that the human implant surgery is called as telepathy, and like this is called as telepathic surgery because after this implant, which will be implanted inside your body, inside the brain, it will help you gain the powers of telepathy. So it's that good with that. So basically this is not a magical telepathy, it's a telepathy that you can control your devices just with the help of your brain, like a remote control. That's what is meant by Musk as when he said telepathy with the help of Neuralink N1 chip. And it also enables control of your phone or computer and through them almost any device, just by thinking, as I shared just before only, right now only. And he tweeted this on Monday evening on X, Twitter. Initial users will be those who have lost use of their limbs, and imagine if like Stephen Hawking could communicate faster than a speed typist or auctioneer. This is the goal of Neuralink. That is what is said by Musk on X or Twitter, formerly known as Twitter. Neuralink says it aims to redefine the boundaries of human capability, telling prospective participants in the PRIME trial that they could significantly shape the future of interaction and independence, not just for you, but for countless others. So Neuralink has been controversial. Neuralink has previously faced controversy due to accusations about how it conducts its research and how Musk portrays that work, and also how like they are just doing negotiations with the government and all that corruption kind of thing. Like they're just paying the money to the government and not taking proper approvals as it's meant to be by FDA or by the clinicaltrials.gov site. So these are the allegations on them. But yeah, Neuralink has proven them all wrong, as their first implanted chip in a patient has proven to be a success, which was done last week only. on Saturday or Sunday, I think. You can check that out on their site also. In response to such allegations, Musk said last September, no monkey has died as a result of a Neuralink implant, as an allegation was them on that 12 monkeys were euthanized as a part of its research, and then to that only, as a response, Musk said that no monkey has died as a result of the Neuralink chip implant, adding that its early tests to minimize risk. They said that they are doing the implants on not the healthy monkeys, as I said just now only, but on terminal monkeys, or like those who are close to death, meaning those who are like already like dying in a dying state they are. So Musk is like doing the implants on them only. So there's no loss of any healthy monkey, like there no death rates of healthy monkeys. That's a good thing about it. And that's the response to the allegation that Musk get on the X, which is formerly Twitter. Members of the Congress of the United States of America have asked the Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, to look into how Musk portrayed Neuralink's use of animals in testing its implants, and then the human and animal rights loyalists, and they all came and then said that Musk is doing wrong, and specifically whether he might have overstated the implant's marketability, or is it worth it or genuine thing. The SEC has been directed by the Congress to check into this matter, and very soon we will have a proper official report from SEC related to this topic only, on like allegation on Neuralink, very soon this year only, 24. But yeah, as you see, the lawmakers pushback includes a request last May from Eddie Pierce, Earl Blumenauer, Dior, and Adam Schiff and DKF. These are people from the US Agriculture Department. Actually, they are not from the Agriculture Department, they are from the Congress, and they asked the US Agriculture Department to investigate potential conflicts of interest among people on the panel overseeing animal testings and Neuralink. Also, FDA has been directed to do the same. Food Department of America, that's the name of FDA. So people are both excited and dubious about the implants, because they doubt that whether it would affect their health in any way, or would it just enhance it, or enhance their superhuman capabilities of telepathy, telekinesis, and all that. So let's see. It's just in a progressive state right now, and no final result has been yet achieved by Neuralink N1 Chip implant. But yeah, it's a good success and a good trial for sure, because as famously said and quoted, that a bold attempt is half success. That's what Neuralink has proved with this N1 chip implant 2 days back only on a female patient in Washington, America. So that's it. So I hope like this video, so this topic is so trendy and hot, I should make a tech talk episode on it. So I made it, and I hope you guys will like this episode also of Tech Talks, and will show the same love to it like you have shown to the previous Tech Talks episodes only on How the Wondertainment Zone. And I hope you really like it, and this has like solve your every doubt related to this Neuralink N1 chip implant. So that's it. This is Muse Dollurix signing off, and I hope you guys have really liked this. Saying this once again, and now finally time to say adios.
Download of Tua Hub app today.